How to show a full jewelry set on one model with AI. Necklace, earrings, and rings, one model, one image, and the jewelry set try on. Load this application. Let's add our ring. Let's have this beautiful ring. As you can see, it doesn't need to be retouched. It's okay to have it as is. Let's have one pendant and earrings. I'm going to use earrings that is not retouched specifically. So small earrings, small and small. Then let's have two variations. I'd like to have female. I'd like to have lifestyle photo with Glamour Boost and 1:1 aspect ratio. And for instructions, instead of choosing the model, you can always add model reference. Let's give AI a little bit more freedom of, well, making it nice. Lady in blue dress in restaurant. That's it. We will have two images. Let's do 3 variation at one click. Let's go. Here is our result. All 3 items on a model, and we have 3 different outputs. This is one, this is another one, and this is third one. Same prompt, same items, 3 different images. You can use any of this on your website to sell your beautiful jewelry or create a video if needed. All done with NeuroViz Virtual Try-On. Sign up and try yourself.